Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm excited today. I've got some bezels from Resin rockers that I wanted to try, and I've already opened them and looked at them, but I thought they were pretty cool. I got this one here, that's a snowflake, and I have this one. If I can get it open here. It's a snowman. So I thought these would make some really nice keychains or purse charms, because I don't know, I feel they're too big for, you know, like a necklace charm or a bracelet, but you know, that's just me. That's my opinion. So what I want to do is I want to start out with the snowman, and I have some white dye from Resin, and I also have some chunky silver opal glitter. So I thought that would look nice. And then for the snowflake, I want to give it just a touch of purple. So I've got some Resin violet dye and Resin opal, violet opal glitter. And then the resin I'm going to use today is Resin rockers. So let's get started. And I'm going to use this tray. The more I use this tray, the more I actually like it. I was on the fence about it at first, but it's turned out to be really nice, actually. Okay, so we're gonna put this guy here, and he barely fits on there. I may have to turn him. I think I'm gonna have to turn him. Make sure he's stuck good. I don't want anything leaking out. I have stuff on the bottom. And we're gonna get this one in here. Okay. So, as I said, we'll start with the snowman. And I'm not sure how much resin this is going to take. I don't think it's going to take very much. So I've just got just a slight little bit in there. Put one drop. That's all I want to do is one drop. And we'll mix this up. Because I just want a little hint of color. So it kind of looks like skim milk. And then I'm going to put 1 scoop of glitter in, and then we'll see how that looks. Because we may want to add more. Yeah, I think I'm going to add just a hair more glitter, maybe half a scoop. Okay. Kind of let that do its thing. I'm going to need some more here. I got to move this around so I can spread the resin out, because I don't want to stick my head, you know, in the middle of the camera shot. And just a little bit more up here. Look at that snowman. He's going to be pretty. Okay. That was a good guess. Usually, I'm not that good at guessing. I'm going to let him sit while I mix up the next one. And we're going to get it open here. There we go, just one drop. Okay, it doesn't want to cooperate. Alright. There we go. Always something, isn't it? So we'll get this all mixed up. It's a little darker than what I wanted, but it still may turn out pretty. We did one scoop and we'll see how that looks. Okay, I think I might do half a teaspoon more. That should be good. And I tell you, I've just fallen in love with this opal resin from Let's Resin. It is just gorgeous. Just the shimmer. I love it. Okay. Alright, I got a lot of that left over, so I will set this aside because I may put it on something else. Clean that off. Alright, so let's start curing it. Okay, let's see here. Alright, that's pretty solid. So now we're going to lift it up. I'll flip it over here and cure from the back side. Alright. Look at that. It looks so pretty right now. Now I want to dome it. And then we'll take it off and see how it looks. I want to make sure this is clean. I have glitter on here and I don't want glitter in my top coat. So I'm going to clean this off real quick. Alright. Just add just a hair bit more to the snowman's belly. Yeah, he filled on his own. Do that up here. Having a hard time seeing if it filled in. I think it did. Alright. I don't see any bubbles, but I'm going to go ahead and throw some heat on it just in case. I don't know about you guys, but with these lighters, mine has resin all over the tip of it because I tend to get it too close. And I can't tell you how many times I've actually stuck it in the resin. I think it's done, but I kind of want to shoot it with resin again. Or not resin, I'm sorry. With the lambskin. Alright, let's see how they look. Oh, look at that. Is that not gorgeous? Just the sparkle in that. Love it. Now, let's try the snowman. Trying to take it off slowly because I don't want marks on it, but looky there. Isn't that not beautiful? You know, I had to practice at doing these bezels. The first time I tried, oh, I didn't have them down on the tape good enough. They leaked everywhere. And that was probably when I first started doing resin, a little over a year ago. So I feel I've come a long way. Let me know what you think. Have you guys tried these? I know Resin Rockers had them, and I want to say they were like $10 or $12 for a dozen, which I don't think was bad. But I'm going to turn these into keychains, and then I'll have pictures at the end of the video. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you guys again soon. Bye.